Hello everyone and welcome back to Your Values. Today a little video about ideas and inspiration about this inside, exterior and interior link in society, in life in general. I believe that everything is just a matter of relationship with yourself and relationship with the outside. You have the inside, which is intangible, permanent, true happiness. When you know yourself, you're at peace. And generally you try, if you don't have this life balance, to grab tangible pleasures that are temporary, like drinking, buying things, or criticizing. And I'm amazed at the quantity of people in this world who cannot stay just calmly, simple and relaxed alone with no music at home. This is because they don't know themselves. If this happens to you, it's just because you don't know yourself. And if you don't know yourself, you're going to be afraid. What you don't know, you're afraid of. So this is all the art of meditation, is just knowing yourself and master yourself and being at peace with yourself. You will not need to criticize, to gossip, to try and control others, because when you control yourself, and this is what we should be teaching each other. And there's one thing that is so important, is what you think of others is what they think of you. Remember this. The world is your mirror. If you're afraid of people, generally people might be afraid of you. This is what happened to me. I realized I'm still very scared. Sometimes I don't tell it, but people never come and speak to me, and then they come to me and they say, but I'm afraid of you. No, I'm afraid of you. And in fact, the world is your mirror. If you criticize, oh, she's an idiot, he's like this, they're going to think the same thing of you. They're going to say, oh, he's or she's the one who criticizes everybody. So the world is your mirror. And when you realize that we are all in this world, on this planet, in the same game, that nobody really knows what life is. You're an adult or a kid, nobody knows. We're all together. Let's find solutions together, And if you have any questions, feel free to message me. I'd be very happy to help you. Today I'm going to go and see prisoners to help them work, and the work with the national education is going better and better, so I'm very happy. And don't forget, please stay to the essential. Love your close ones. Cook, laugh, eat, drink water, run. This is the most beautiful thing. No tangible thing can compete with this. Have a beautiful day and see you soon on Your Values.